Hi everyone. Today we are going to practice abdominal strengthening exercise. It is a belly fat reducing exercise. Usually the fat depositing around our stomach area. Mainly rectus abdominal muscles we got to concentrate. So this exercise you got to do morning or evening. You can do with empty stomach. I will teach you today different type of abdominal exercise. You can select a few exercise according your age group, according your capacity. So beginners, you can start with a less number of repetition. After practicing, you can increase number of repetition. Come on, let us go abdominal exercise. Before going to abdominal exercise, we will go for a little bit warming up exercise. Come on.
Come on, we'll go for walking, warming up, slowly jogging, on the spot jogging, smooth arm action, back lifting. Keep your hands back and kick back. Go for eye knee action. Keep your hands up to hip level. Jumping jog, jump and sideward, hands rise, on the spot jump, jump and split. Okay, go for breathe in, breathe out. Inhale when you're coming up. When you're going down, exhale, breathe out. Deep inhalation, deep exhalation. Okay, now mobility exercise, neck up and down. Slowly look up and slowly look your stomach. Three times you can do. Neck sideward stretch, left side and right side. This also you can do three times. Next go for shoulder rotation. You can go for 5 times forward rotation and reverse 5 times. Then hand swing up and down. Swing up, then hand rotation 5 times. You can do front and back. Then just close your elbows and open, sideward swing. You can do 5 times. Each exercise you can do 5 times. Because time constriction, I am reducing the number of repetition. Go for hip rotation. 5 times clockwise rotation, 5 times anti-clockwise rotation. Sideward movement, hip sideward stretching. This also we can do 5 times. Then slowly bend forward and backward stretch. Don't go lean forward too much. Up to how much possible you can do. 5 times, then up squat. Go for up squat 5 times. Then go for wrist and ankle rotation. This all we are doing for mobility exercise. Exercise for different joints. Now going for stretching, hamstring stretching, because this is a very important muscle group. Hamstring stretching. Then back quadriceps stretching. Quadriceps front thigh group stretching. A little bit jumping and relax. Completely relax. The warming up exercise before going to any type of workout training. Warming up is a must. So without warming up, don't go for any training programs. This is a very important. Again, relaxing, breathing, breathe out. English. Upper abdomen exercise. You can do 5 times. Keep your hands behind your necks. Go for only 5 repetition. Then relax. Open your legs, open your hands. Slightly relax your abdomen area. After each abdomen exercise, you can little bit massage and tapping on your stomach, abdomen muscles. Then now go for lower abdomen exercise. Lifting the legs upward, 45-degree angle. You can do 5 times, slowly starting. Then after 1 month, you can increase the number of repetition. Go for relaxing. Open your legs, open your hands. Then tapping the stomach. Slightly, very softly you have to tap the stomach. And if you want to massage, then next go for coordination exercise. Upper and lower coordination exercise. Lift your legs 45-degree angle and try to bring to the V-shape posture. Yes, this also you can do 5 times, 5 count. Don't go for more count in the initial period. Starting you have to do only 5 count. Now next scissor crossing. Leg up and down, leg cross way, 5 times you can do. Like a scissor crossing. Yes, go for relaxing. Open your legs, open your hands. Slightly massage on your abdominal muscles. Going for next exercise. Bicycle rotation. Like a cycling, we got to rotate your legs 10 to 15 repetition. Yes, clockwise, anti-clockwise. Then go for relaxing. Each and every exercise go for 1 to 1.5 minutes relaxing. This is very, very important. Tap your abdomen, slightly massage, and going for next. It is called Naukasan shape, holding. Okay, like a V shape. Make a hold for 10 count or 15 count or 20 count. Going for relaxing now. Slightly massaging, tapping on your stomach. If you feel pain, reduce the number of repetition. That I am telling minimum 5 times, 5 count. After some time, you can slowly increase your count, number of repetition. Also, completely relax. Next, holding. It is called a plank exercise. From head, hip, and heels should be same line. And keep your elbow and hold your stomach. This you can do 20 counts, 20 times, 20 counts or 30 counts. First go for only 10 count. You can count yourself 1, 2, 3, 4 like that timing. Keep it for, I am keeping for 20 count. Next, second variation of a plank exercise. Extend your hand fully and raise your hip up, stretch up, stand on your toes, look front and hold it for 20 count. Yes, completely relax. Open your legs, fold your hands, keep your head on your hands and completely relax. Now next, oblique muscle stretching, sideward. Same like me, you can do and try to remain for 10 to 20 counts according to your capacity. Yes, these are holding of sideward, oblique, external oblique muscles. These are the very, very important. Yes, relax. Next, go for another side. Keep your another hand. Stretch your hands. Yes. Now hold your hip without bending. Yes. Stretch for 10 to 20 counts. Yes, remain. For the beginners, you can do try for 10 counts. After practicing, you can increase the seconds. Then this is the opposite muscle group. Once if you're doing abdominal exercise, you have to go for the back stretching exercise. Lower back, this is called Bhujangasana. Just stretch. Yes, 5 to 10 count you can do. Beginners 5 count. Then slowly increase the 10 to 20 counts. Yes, go for relaxing. Open your legs, fold your hands and relax. Completely normal breathing exercise. Then this is a abdominal relaxing exercise. It is a rolling. You got lift your legs and arms like this. You keep the bed sheet or bedspread or yoga mat. Keep it down and on that you can do. This is backward relaxing for the lower back. Those are having back pain, stiffness or any type of back pain, you can do this rolling. This exercise you can do on the bed also. Don't do on the floor. You have to do with on the bed sheet or on the bed. Sideward rolling, up and down rolling. This is a very good exercise for relaxing the back pain. Yes. Next, last one, going for the butterfly exercise. Completely, this is a relaxing exercise for all the joints. Butterfly relaxing exercise. It is a wonderful exercise for all the joints.
Okay, everyone, let us stop now. Try to do the abdominal rectus muscles exercise, abdominal exercise. It is a fat reducing exercise, mainly for the belly and the side oblique muscles also. Try to do it. Whatever your capacity, how much you can do possible, 5 count or 10 count or 20 count, you can do by practice week by week or monthly wise, you can increase the number of repetition. Okay, see you another day with another activities. Thank you.